Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Finding and handling duplicate rows in Excel, a comprehensive guide. Duplicate rows in Excel can be a significant problem, leading to inaccurate data analysis, flawed reports, and wasted resources. Identifying and dealing with these duplicates is crucial for maintaining data integrity. This tutorial will provide a comprehensive guide to finding and handling duplicate rows in Excel, covering various techniques, including 1. Conditional formatting *, visually highlight duplicate rows. 2. Removing duplicates tool *, remove duplicate rows based on selected columns. 3. COUNTIF Function * count occurrences of specific values in a column to identify duplicates. 4. Advanced filter * filter and extract unique or duplicate records. 5. Power Query, get and transform data, a robust method for cleaning and deduplicating data, especially useful for large data sets. 6. VBA,